Hey Eurovision fam, it's Alesia Michelle. It's day 2, and you know, that means that I have to do another tour. It's day 1 of rehearsals, but we're not looking at rehearsals. So, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna tour. It's also probably important, maybe not important, but important for me to note that I have no luggage. I basically have my carry-on, and because I'm like actually, you know, a pretty decent carry-on type of person, I've got all my equipment, I've got a couple of outfits, but I have no makeup. I had to buy some hair oil because we couldn't be dry. I did have soap, and I've got cocoa butter. So this skin is working off of fresh soap, cocoa butter, and a prayer.
Let's go inside. The region of the wines, it's actually the origins of the therein, of the tagliatelle, of the spaghetto, so amazing. This is cocoa, the privated of the cocoa part. Okay. So the color will be like light brown, and that's why the cocoa doesn't act the cocoa anymore.
I've got my mask on. We're on stop number, oh, I can't even remember because you know I had to get the drink ad on. You know, people might ask, you know, what it's like to lose your luggage and be walking around. And, you know, from my experience, I would tell people, you know, it's really dark, it's desolate, it's scary. And, I mean, those are just the people who have to look at me because I don't have my luggage. So you can only imagine. All in all, it's been a great day number 2. Wish I had makeup. Like, don't you wish that I had makeup? Yeah. No, but it was a great tour. And again, I always tell people when you come to Eurovision, yes, I love the songs. Yes, it's about the show. But so much about this experience for me is really getting to experience Europe and experience the host city. So if you have the opportunity to travel to Eurovision, I'm telling you, it's not just about the rehearsals. It's not just about interviewing the artists. It really is about experiencing what the host city has to offer. So I love it. And I mean, like, hello, Saturday afternoon.